Let me show you all camera settings available on Samsung Galaxy S25. So first of all, let's go to the camera. Over here we can tap on these four dots and we can tap on this gear icon in order to open camera settings. And here we can find such things as the option to scan documents and text with the auto scan option, as well as remove unwanted objects. We can also scan QR codes. We have shot suggestions, so if you want to see some on-screen guides to help you line up great shots, you can turn this option on. We also have intelligent optimization, where we can optimize the quality of these photos. We can set it to maximum so that we have the highest quality possible in the photo mode. And we can also use Scene Optimizer, where we can automatically optimize the color and contrast of pictures to make dark screens look brighter, food look tastier, and landscapes look more vivid. Besides that, we also have pictures settings. In this section, we can choose to take burst shot or create GIFs with the shutter button if you swipe it down, like it is demonstrated over here above. We also have the watermark, where we can show the model name, date and time. We can also adjust the format of these two. And we also have the style section, where we can change the font and alignment. In advanced picture options, we can enable HEIF format for pictures. We can capture photos in the Pro mode in the RAW format and the JPEG, or in one of these two. In motion photo capture, we can choose to capture before and after shutter, or just before the shutter. Then, besides that, we have the selfie section, where we can enable and disable the mirror effect, and we also have the swipe up or down gesture to switch cameras, so you can quickly switch to the front or rear camera by swiping up or down on the camera preview. We have auto FPS section for our option for videos, where we can use for 30 FPS videos only to record brighter videos in low light conditions, or you can use it for 30 and 60 FPS videos, or completely disable it. Besides that, we have video stabilization, and in advanced video options we have such things as the video format, where we can switch between the HEVC and H.264. We can enable and disable the high bitrate videos option, and we also have HDR, lock, and some audio options like zoom in mic, 360 audio recording, and audio playback. Then we also have tracking autofocus. We can keep the rear camera focused on the select subject even if they move. We have composition guide, where we can enable the leveler, grid lines and leveler. We also have location tags, where we can save the location where the photo is taken, or a video where it is recorded. We have shooting methods, where we can use volume buttons in order to take picture or record video, or to zoom in or zoom out, or control sound volume. We also have voice commands, where we can say command out loud in order to, for example, capture a photo or start recording a video. We also have the floating shutter button, and we have the palm gesture, where we can show our hand to the camera in order to take a photo or start recording. We have settings to keep, where we can decide what should be kept when we exit the camera, and once we re-enter, whether some of these settings should be restored. We have vibration feedback, of course we have permissions as well, reset option, about camera, where we can read about the version of the camera, and contact option. And that is essentially it in terms of the camera settings. Besides that, of course, we have a bunch of different options in each of the modes, like for example the flashlight, the timer, aspect ratio. We can choose how many megapixels we want to use. We have the motion photo, exposure, and some filters as well, and the beautify mode, where we can apply some effects for smoothness, tone, jawline, eyes for our faces. And in video mode, we also have the super steady mode. We can change the resolution and the amount of frames per second. We can also once again adjust the exposure. We have the auto framing option, and also the effects, special effects. I mean, not effects, but filters. And besides that, of course, we have even more options, where we can use expert RAW if we download it, pro modes, night mode, food, panorama, slow motion, hyperlapse, portrait video, dual recording, and single take. And of course the portrait mode as well. And that is all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!